This is Ngoboteni Ten Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Modipe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City North, MTN 8 quarterfinal. My brother, how do you feel about the game here today?
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very excited because first of all, the coach, technical team arena, the coach.
Yeah.
Then they've started where we've ended. So I don't see any changes. Yaore, kere ke tla re o change tsa fa ka manga dirang. Skimisa le sona say the only thing king Sundowns era looking. This is different to what other people say. So it le Sundowns. The thinking nere problem ya finish up. Our finish up was not good, and then the aerial ball, but ever create the ball, but not panic. So then they don't have to panic. They must take their time.
Yeah.
Because the ball di pala di dirang. So never play. Yeah, never play the ball. So maybe two or one of those goals in the score really.
Yeah.
So the thing backline arena ke bona e sharp but the problem ya bona ba bula gore abana communication ai right. Ho ka sheba Rivaldo ko say is very slow, Lebusa is slow. So then bashimane ba le ba ke team ba khona ba jigisa fast, and then ba push, and then ba cost trouble ona mo. So ke mo lori ke bona Sundowns the thing gore tlamele lokishe ko morao sweeper ya rena e be sharp, and then back four ya rena e be right, and then midfield Tebo Mokoena le yena. So the ball tse ngata gore bya nna dala ka pele. Rivaldo Kotsi again, Rivaldo Kotsi was over carrying. He was playing well, but by mistake like that, the mistakes are high, then Erika create the opponents really tough. Then what would create ball would punish you due to that thing. So anyway, it's fine. Unlucky we didn't Azangara Trasa Pirates. Like Pirates first and second league.
Let's hope it's a finally.
I go back to final Mara no Barapedisha or we go Cape Town City because Cape Town City
and then when I go.
This is obvious. It's obvious. Sundowns final.
No, thanks my brother. All the best.